Let me just open putty. I'll open NodeMCU. Now I'm just connecting to network. Yeah, my connection to the network is proper. Temperature is 26, humidity is 64, vibration is 0. Let me see on the dashboard. Yeah, something is appearing. So now you can see the update of data here is quite a bit fast when compared to that. Now let me vibrate my breadboard. I'll see whether breadboard data will be vibration data will be updated or not. Yeah, my vibration data is also updated. What am I seeing in my putty? Vibration status is around 4, 2. So this graph is also updating. This is quite fast when compared to ThinkSpeak because the update rate is around 2 seconds here. There it is around 5 seconds. You will not see the immediate change. And with this, I hope I have explained you better about how to see the status over MQTT block and also HTTP broker. This particular broker Adafruit is quite user friendly and intuitive, and the look is also proper, and you will not find any too much problems. And there is also user manuals and help manuals from Adafruit. I personally prefer Adafruit over ThinkSpeak. And now in the coming lecture, we'll try to uh, create a button or a control interface on the Adafruit, and we'll try to control any LEDs or any devices. If you can control an LED from internet, you can control any device. So it's just a GPIO pin status. So I'll show you how to control a LED from your Adafruit IO. Just by clicking on or off from anywhere in the world, you can just control your devices. Thank you.